Hi everyone, welcome to the third video on command prompt series. So I have already uploaded two videos. So in case if you have missed those video, I am providing link in the description. So please do watch because in first video I have already explained a clear roadmap for this series, and in second video I have covered all basics and the importance of CMD with practical example. So yeah guys, from today onwards we are heading towards our real journey in built-in command prompt series, where we are going to discuss all major and basic command which is essential for everyone to know. But for practical purpose, I have grouped all those important command in 5 groups. And today we are going to discuss our very first topic on screen and utility command. This is essential, and I would say it is a basic building block for every upcoming video, so please do not miss. And it is having only 3 commands, so just have a look. It will give you a better understanding for upcoming videos. So screen and utility command are used for managing the CMD window and journal action. Here we are going to discuss 3 important command, that is help, CLS and exit. Help basically used to display all the command prompt available in the CMD window, and CLS it is used for clearing the screen. Exit is useful when we want to close the window. So don't scratch your head right now. We are going to see all these commands one by one practically. So let's jump to the CMD window. So guys, I have opened CMD window in my system. You can do in yours by pressing window plus R, type CMD and hit enter. And guys, just remember this is the most efficient way for opening the CMD window. So you just practice it. Now before starting the real discussion on today's topic, I just want to highlight one more thing. Suppose this window is not visible for you, you can zoom in, or you can also zoom out by pressing Control and scrolling your mouse like this way. It will adjust your aspect ratio, so which is convenient for you. You just put, for me it is a perfect. So now let's jump to the today's topic. So let's start with our very first command, that is help. As I have already explained that help is used for displaying the command which are available in command window. And how it is going to work, let's see. Just type help and hit enter. It will list out all the command which are available in command window. So these are the command which are available. Suppose you want to check the details of CLS. So CLS it is used for cleaning the screen. Similarly, if you want to check the details of exit, you just check exit quit the cmd.exe program. Now suppose you are not getting exact purpose for any command with short description, then you can also have a detailed description. But how you are going to get? Let's see. Suppose I want description for exit. Okay, here it is there, like it is used to quit the cmd.exe program. Suppose I want further detail for this command. So type help. Now hit enter. So it is going to give further a detailed description for exit this way. Now let us take another example so that it will get clear to you. Now suppose I want to check the details for another command, and let's say this time you are going to check the details for dir. The short description is already there, but I just want to get a more detail on this command. So what you will do, you will type help, write dir and hit enter. So further it is going to give this one, a detailed description, this one. So you can have this way. So this is all about the help command. You can just practice using any command. And now we are going to start second command. So the second command is CLS, which is used for clearing the screen. So purpose is obvious, but still let's have just a example. Now this already lots of things are there in the screen, and it's creating some kind of confusion. So you just want to clear this thing so that you can freshly start. So how to do that? You just type CLS, hit enter. It will give a fresh window by removing all the previous output. So by this way CLS is work. So the third command is exit, which is basically used for closing the CMD window. So guys, just remember, whenever you are working in CMD window, you are supposed to not to close any command window directly, because if in case any command is working in background, then it will give abnormal performance on your system. So you are always required to close the window by typing the exits. So how it works? Let's see with an example. Suppose this is your current CMD window and you want to close this window. So you just simply write exit and hit enter. It will close your current terminal. So that's all for today. We are going to see all rest of the CMD command in upcoming videos. So please stay tuned with my channel. And in case if you are getting something from this channel, please subscribe. Thank you so much.